Hey my friends! Today we're diving headfirst into the smoky heart of Texas BBQ, where flavor reigns supreme and the meat is king. We're talking about the kind of BBQ that'll make your taste buds sing. We're on a mission to uncover the top 5 must-try dishes that'll have you yelling yeehaw with every single bite. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a flavor journey that's off the chain. Get ready for mouth-watering brisket, fall-off-the-bone ribs, sausage with a kick, and so much more. We're talking real-deal finger-lickin', lip-smacking goodness. You might want to grab a bib, because things are about to get messy in the best way possible. So, fire up your appetites, folks, and get ready to experience Texas BBQ like never before. This is gonna be epic. First dish, we're talking about the undisputed king of Texas BBQ brisket. This isn't just any cut of meat, it's the heart and soul of Texas barbecue. When you think of Texas BBQ, the first thing that comes to mind is that succulent, smoky, and tender brisket that has been perfected over generations. This ain't your regular pot roast, folks. While a pot roast has its own charm, brisket takes it to a whole new level. It's a culinary masterpiece that requires patience, skill, and a whole lot of love. We're talking slow-smoked, melt-in-your-mouth goodness that'll have you begging for more. Imagine taking a bite and feeling the tender meat just dissolve in your mouth, releasing a burst of smoky, savory flavors that dance on your taste buds. Texas brisket is all about that perfect bark, that beautiful caramelized crust that seals in all the smoky flavor. The bark is what gives the brisket its signature taste and texture, a combination of spices and smoke that creates a crusty exterior while keeping the inside juicy and tender. It's got that perfect blend of spices, that smoky aroma that hits you right in the face, and a tenderness that'll make you want to sing your favorite song. The spice rub is a carefully guarded secret, often passed down through generations, and it's what makes each brisket unique. We're talking hours and hours of slow smoking over pecan or oak wood until that brisket transforms into a thing of beauty. The choice of wood is crucial, as it imparts a distinct flavor to the meat. Pecan wood gives a sweet, nutty flavor, while oak provides a more robust, earthy taste. It's an art form, really. From selecting the right cut of meat to seasoning it just right, and then smoking it to perfection, every step requires precision and care. It's a labor of love that true pitmasters take pride in. And when it's done right, it's a religious experience. The first bite is always the best, a moment of pure bliss that makes all the hours of waiting worth it. It's a taste that lingers, making you crave more with each bite. So if you're looking for a taste of Texas heaven, brisket is where it's at. Pair it with some classic sides like coleslaw, baked beans, or cornbread, and you've got yourself a meal fit for a king. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. The combination of flavors, the smoky aroma, and the tender meat create a symphony of taste that is simply unforgettable. So next time you're in Texas, make sure to try the brisket. It's an experience you won't want to miss. Second dish. All right, folks, we're moving on from the king to the emperor of Texas BBQ beef ribs. We're talking massive slabs of meat, seasoned to perfection, and smoked low and slow until they're fall-off-the-bone tender. These ain't your average baby back ribs, folks. These bad boys are massive, meaty, and packed with flavor. We're talking Flintstone-sized ribs that'll have you needing extra napkins. They're the kind of ribs that require a serious commitment, but trust me, they're worth every single bite. We're talking juicy, smoky, meat coma-inducing goodness. So if you're feeling adventurous and you're ready to tackle a true Texas BBQ challenge, then saddle up and get yourself some beef ribs. Third dish. All right, folks, let's talk sausage. Now, I know what you're thinking, sausage at a BBQ joint? Come on, Chef Stefani. But trust me on this one, Texas BBQ sausage ain't your average backyard barbecue fare. We're talking a whole nother level of flavor. You see, Texas BBQ sausage is a culinary masterpiece, a true testament to the art of barbecue. It's not just about throwing some meat on the grill, it's about crafting something extraordinary. The journey of Texas BBQ sausage begins with the selection of the finest cuts of meat. We're talking about a blend of beef and pork, carefully chosen for their flavor and texture. The meat is then coarsely ground to give it that perfect, hearty bite. It's not too fine, not too chunky, just right. And let's not forget the spices. Oh, the spices! Texas BBQ sausage is seasoned with a symphony of flavors that'll make your taste buds sing. We're talking paprika, chili powder, cumin, and garlic. The real deal. These spices are mixed into the meat, creating a harmonious blend of flavors that dance on your palate. But the magic doesn't stop there. The sausage is then stuffed into natural casings, giving it that satisfying snap when you take a bite. It's a labor of love, a process that requires skill and precision. Once the sausages are stuffed, they're ready for the smoker. And this is where the real magic happens. Texas BBQ sausage is cooked low and slow over pecan or oak wood, infusing it with a smoky flavor that's simply irresistible. The smoke from the wood seeps into the sausage, creating layers of flavor that are both complex and comforting. It's a slow process, but the result is worth every minute. And let's talk about the variations. Texas is a big state, and each region has its own take on BBQ sausage. From jalapeno cheddar to cheesy sausage to spicy chorizo, there's a sausage for every palate. Each pitmaster has their own secret recipe, passed down through generations. These recipes are guarded like prized possessions, and for good reason. They're the heart and soul of Texas BBQ. So, when you're at a Texas BBQ joint, don't you dare walk past that sausage. It's a Texas BBQ staple for a reason, folks. Get yourself a link or 2 or 3, and get ready to experience a flavor explosion that'll have you yelling, "Holy moly, that's good sausage." Now let's dive a little deeper into the history of Texas BBQ sausage. The tradition of making sausage in Texas dates back to the early settlers who brought their sausage-making skills from Europe. German and Czech immigrants in particular played a significant role in shaping the sausage culture in Texas. These immigrants brought with them their recipes and techniques, which were then adapted to the local ingredients and cooking methods. Over time, Texas BBQ sausage evolved into the unique and delicious creation we know and love today. The process of making Texas BBQ sausage is a true labor of love. It starts with selecting the best cuts of meat, which are then coarsely ground to achieve the perfect texture. The meat is seasoned with a blend of spices, including paprika, chili powder, cumin, and garlic, creating a symphony of flavors. The seasoned meat is then stuffed into natural casings, giving the sausage its signature snap. The sausages are cooked low and slow over pecan or oak wood, infusing them with a smoky flavor that's simply irresistible. Each pitmaster has their own secret recipe passed down through generations. These recipes are guarded like prized possessions, and for good reason. They're the heart and soul of Texas BBQ. So when you're at a Texas BBQ joint, don't you dare walk past that sausage. It's a Texas BBQ staple for a reason, folks. Get yourself a link, or 2 or 3, and get ready to experience a flavor explosion that'll have you yelling, "Holy moly, that's good sausage." And let's not forget the sides. Texas BBQ sausage is often served with a variety of delicious sides, including coleslaw, potato salad, and baked beans. These sides complement the rich, smoky flavor of the sausage, creating a well-rounded and satisfying meal. So next time you're in Texas, make sure to stop by a BBQ joint and try the sausage. It's a true Texas BBQ staple, and once you try it, you'll understand why. From the selection of the finest cuts of meat to the careful seasoning and slow smoking process, every step is a testament to the art of barbecue. So go ahead, take a bite and savor the flavor of Texas BBQ sausage. You won't be disappointed. Fourth dish. All right, my friends, we're taking a little detour from the beefy side of Texas BBQ. Now I know what you're thinking. Texas BBQ is all about the brisket, the ribs, and the sausage. But today we're going to surprise you with something a little different, yet equally mouth-watering. But trust me, this ain't your mama's Thanksgiving turkey. Forget the dry bird you might be used to. This turkey is a whole new ball game. We're talking about smoked turkey breast, and let me tell you, this bird is packing some serious flavor. Imagine a turkey breast that's been lovingly seasoned and smoked to perfection. The kind of turkey that makes you rethink everything you thought you knew about BBQ. When you think about BBQ, turkey might not be the first thing that pops into your head. Most folks go straight to the classics: brisket, ribs, pulled pork. But let me tell you, turkey deserves a spot at the BBQ table too. But don't let that fool you. This smoked turkey breast is a revelation. It's juicy, it's flavorful, and it's got that perfect smoky essence that makes BBQ so irresistible. This ain't no dry, bland bird. We're talking about a turkey breast that's been transformed into a succulent, smoky masterpiece. We're talking juicy, smoky, and seasoned to perfection. The kind of turkey that makes you want to go back for seconds, maybe even thirds. It's a real game changer. Once you try it, you'll wonder why you haven't been smoking turkey all along. Now, the key to a killer smoked turkey breast is all about the rub. The rub is where the magic happens. It's what takes your turkey from ordinary to extraordinary. We're talking a blend of spices that'll make your taste buds sing. Think paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, maybe a little cayenne for a kick. The possibilities are endless. You can customize your rub to suit your taste, but the key is to be generous. Don't be shy with those spices. Maybe a little cayenne for a kick. The possibilities are endless. You can even add a touch of brown sugar for a hint of sweetness that caramelizes beautifully during the smoking process. Once you've got your rub on, it's time to hit the smoker. This is where the magic really happens. The smoker infuses the turkey with that unmistakable smoky flavor that makes BBQ so special. Low and slow is the name of the game here, folks. We're talking hours of smoking goodness, letting those flavors really penetrate the meat. The key is patience. Good BBQ can't be rushed. We're talking hours of smoking goodness, letting those flavors really penetrate the meat. The result? A turkey breast that's juicy, tender, and bursting with flavor. It's the kind of dish that makes you the hero of the BBQ. Now, let's talk about serving this masterpiece. Once your turkey breast is smoked to perfection, let it rest for a few minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, making every bite as juicy as the last. Slice it up and watch as the juices flow. Each slice should be tender and moist, with a beautiful smoky crust on the outside. Serve it up with your favorite BBQ sides, maybe some coleslaw, baked beans, or cornbread. And don't forget the BBQ sauce. Whether you like it sweet, tangy, or spicy, a good BBQ sauce can take your smoked turkey to the next level. And there you have it, folks. A smoked turkey breast that's sure to impress. It's a little different, a little unexpected, but once you try it, you'll be hooked. So next time you're firing up the smoker, give turkey a try. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for joining us on this smokin' adventure. Until next time, keep those grills hot and those taste buds happy. Fifth and final dish. All right, folks, we've arrived at the final stop on our Texas BBQ journey, and we're finishing strong with a true crowd-pleaser pulled pork. This ain't your average pulled pork, though. We're talking slow-smoked, melt-in-your-mouth goodness that'll have you licking your fingers and begging for more. Now, pulled pork is a staple of BBQ joints across the country, but there's something special about the way they do it in Texas. Maybe it's the quality of the meat, the unique blend of spices, or the hours of love and care that go into smoking it to perfection. Whatever the secret is, one thing's for sure. Texas pulled pork is in a league of its own. It's got that perfect balance of smoky flavor, juicy tenderness, and a hint of sweetness that'll make your taste buds sing. There you have it, folks. 5 must-try Texas BBQ dishes that will leave you craving more. From the tender and smoky brisket to the juicy and flavorful sausage. And let's not forget that melt-in-your-mouth pulled pork and the surprisingly delicious smoked turkey. Texas BBQ is a flavor explosion you don't want to miss. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mouth-watering content. Until next time, keep those grills hot and the BBQ coming. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.